Let's make a super clean, delicious, easy corn chowder today. I have a tablespoon of butter melting in this pan. We're going to add half an onion, which is finely chopped, a small celery stalk with its leaves, finely chopped, a small red bell pepper, finely chopped, small cube, a carrot, peeled, small cube, and a large potato, small cube. You can very easily make this recipe vegan if you'd like. Instead of the butter, use oil. So we're going to let these vegetables saute for a little bit until our onion is a little translucent. So I took the kernels off 6 ears of corn and I put about half into my blender. I'm going to add about a cup of milk to this, and we're going to blend it. If you were making this vegan, use a plant-based milk. All right, these veggies have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the corn. I'm gonna put a couple sprigs of thyme in here. I'm going to add the blended corn with the milk. I'm gonna wash out my blender a little bit. And I'm gonna add about 4 more cups of water. I kept 2 of the cobs from our corn, which I'm gonna put in there just for a little extra flavor. So we'll take those out later. I'm gonna season this with salt, pepper, and we're going to let this simmer. We'll bring it to a boil, we'll reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the vegetables are cooked. This is ready. I'm going to now turn it off and serve it. All the vegetables have been cooked through. It's great. I'm not gonna add any more dairy to this. And a lot of chowder recipes have flour in them because they, to thicken it. This is nice and thick with that corn that we put in there, blended in the beginning. And, it's loaded in veggies. We don't need to add flour. All right, I'm going to fish out these cobs and discard them, and we'll serve. We're going to finish up our soup with a little scallion green. You can use chives and some chopped parsley. Isn't that pretty? So let's taste this. Oh wow, I have summer inside my mouth. This is amazing. Those vegetables are cooked perfectly. They're not soggy. That corn that we blended, it just added so much to this broth. Oh my gosh, this is good, guys. I hope you make it.